Okay, today I'll be talking about my approach, the approach that I use in investing to create income streams. So, this is what I actually do to increase my income, or have been doing for a while. So, it's possible to to start out with very little income. You know, for example, let's say I have a job. So and that in that with that job, I'm able to save like $500 a month, right? Or let's say I have another social networking or social media account, which provides me with an income of, let's say, $400 a month. So I have about $900 a month to work with, let's say, which isn't a lot of money. So let's say I invest my $400 a month that I get from my social networking account, and I invested in selling stuff on Amazon, eBay, and other platforms, right? And you can easily create an account on eBay or Amazon and sell stuff there, and other platforms as well, like Wix or whatever. And let's say I'm using that income that I get from that social networking site to to buy electronics, or I could use it to buy clothes and resell it on eBay or Amazon, right? And let's and by making that investment, or those investments, I'm able to generate $200 a month with that online business. And then I would invest that money in a website. So if I could make the website by myself, then I would save money. But if I can't, then I would use the money that I get from let's say my salary and other my social networking account, to hire someone who can make a website for me, right, to sell my stuff or promote my stuff. And like I said, let's say I'm able to make $200 a month. So that's an income stream I just created, right? And let's say with my salary, I invest a good portion of it in the stock market or equities market. And let's say I'm able to get a return of 10% a year. So that's about $50 a month. So I can add the $500 to that $50, and I'm generating $550 a month. And in addition to that, with the social media account and the website and the other platforms I'm using to sell my stuff, I'm generating $200 a month. Because it takes a while for you to generate any income creating an online business. You're not going to make money like right now. It's going to grow very slowly, right? It takes time. And sometimes you could do better. You could do a lot better. You could sell a lot more depending on how much you invest, how much time and effort you invest. You could generate more revenue. So let's say that online business is generating, maybe instead of 200, it's generating $400 a month. Then that's good. I just add the 400 to the $400 per month and get $800 a month. And I would add that to the 550, and I would be generating about $1,350 per month. And that's a lot more than $900 a month. And let's say I'm able to save more money, and I save enough money to get a down payment on a rental property, right? Let's say a studio condo or something. say I pick one up for maybe $120,000 or something, and I'm able to make a down payment of, I think it's 20%, about $24,000. And I have like a maybe 30-year mortgage on it, and the amount of payment that comes out is like, it would cost like $1,400 a month to for the mortgage. And let's say I rent it out for $2,000 a month, then I'm generating about $600 a month in revenue for that rental property, in addition to the other income that I'm making here, which I said it was, which is all about $1,150 a month, and I'm adding 600, so that's $1,750 a month. But if my income for this was greater, let's say it was I was making $400 a month on an online business, I'd be making $1,350 a month. So I would add that to 600. It'd be $1,950 a month. And let's say I'm able to save up to buy another rental property, so I have another one, too. And after a year goes by, I'm able to buy another rental property with a mortgage, and now my income would be 600 times 3, so that'd be 1,800. So now my income is $3,150 a month, and I would just keep getting more real estate here, and my income would be growing, and I use the income from those streams to pay off each of these houses, right? I would save up, pay this off, and then pay this off, pay this off, and my income stream is even greater. Let's say I pay off one house, so say I'm only making $1,150 per month with the online business and my salary, and I paid off one house. Now I could pocket the $2,000 a month, right? Because I paid off a house, and I'm able to generate even more income, you see, like 4,300, and I pay off this one. Now I pocket the 200, 2,000, 1,150, and my income is $5,150 a month. Well, I have to add the 600 too, so that'll be $5,750. I pay off the third one, and now my income is 2,000 times 3, that's 6,000. So now my income is this much a month. Think about that. Now I'm able to buy another rental property, 2 more, let's say. So it's 1,150. That's 6,000, and I'm generating 600 and 600, and that's $8,350 a month. I'm generating, And how much is that in a year? $100,200. And then I pay off the fourth one. Now it's 2,000 times 4, so $8,000 a month in rental income, plus 600, 1,150, so 9,750. Sorry, so that's like, so I pay off 4 properties, right? $9,750 a month times 12. That's 117. Now I could buy even more real estate, and you see how this goes? It's entirely possible to generate a lot of money by investing your money correctly, by following this model. So you don't want to stay in business too long. The point is to acquire the real estate, right? That's the stuff you want to get. And if you have even more money, you could lock some of it up in gold. You could buy some gold and lock it up in there as well for a long term, like saving plan. And you could also have a reserve of cash, right? And if you were making $9,000 a month, right? You could have, it would be very easy to save $50,000, right? You could keep that as cash cushion, and you could, and you're generating a monthly revenue, right? And you could use that to keep buying real estate or invest in other businesses, which would increase your income stream. So the point isn't to just invest in something and hold it. The point is to invest and create a stream of income. That's how you win in capitalism, right? Like these people were talking about, you buy silver. I bought silver at the $20 and it went up to $25. That's stupid. That doesn't mean anything, right? The point is to grow your wealth, not to just make it go up a little bit. It doesn't really, buying precious metals doesn't increase your income stream. It doesn't really do anything. The point is to be an active investor. And let's say the online business grew, right? Let's say the income is more than $200 a month for online business. Let's say I'm generating $1,000 a month for online business. Well, that's even better, right? I could invest more of that money in real estate and pay it off, and then create bigger streams of income. That's how you do it. Okay, thanks for watching.